Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney, and in today's video we're going to be covering a very important topic that's affecting all employees, which is, do they have a right to work from home? We've gotten quite a few queries from our clients where they are able to work from home. In fact, the scenario is one of our clients, she is able to work from home. She has the full remote setup, but her boss is refusing her to let her work from home rather. What are her rights? What can she do in this situation? Straight off the bat, there is no legal right to work from home. Let's get that clear. Let me say that again. No employee in South Africa has a legal right to work from home. However, Section 8 of the Occupational Health and Safety Act places a duty on employers, on companies, to maintain a safe working environment. This means not subjecting any employee to workplace risk. This workplace risk could be in the form of COVID, it could be in the form of civil unrest where the person is feeling unsafe, for example, what has been happening quite a lot in KZN, etc., etc. So if the employer cannot ensure your safety, then you may have a basis to argue that you should work from home. However, the other side of the equation is, if the employer has taken measures to protect you, and these measures can be in the form of personal protective equipment like masks, sanitizers, safe working distance, etc., etc., or where there is civil unrest, then security that has been stationed or the road has been clear, etc., etc. If those measures has been taken by the employer and the employer issues you with an instruction to return to work and you refuse to obey that instruction, then you can be subject to a disciplinary hearing. So the first part of it is, yes, you have a right to a safe working environment, no doubt. The other side of it is, the employer can take measures to minimize the risk, and if they instruct you to come to work where those measures have been taken and you refuse to attend work, then you may face disciplinary action. The solution that I propose is, if you are still feeling unsafe, either because the employer has not taken measures or has taken insufficient measures, then to write to the employer and notify them about how you are feeling unsafe and what in particular is making you feel unsafe. In other words, write to HR, write to the owner of the company, write to your manager, explain to him or her that you are able to work from home, you have the resources for it, you are feeling unsafe to travel to the working environment for whatever reason, COVID, riot, etc., force majeure, and can the company accommodate you in terms of working from home? It's very important to get this in writing because you can use this at a later stage if there is any kind of disciplinary hearing. However, the tone of that first email is very collaborative. You're writing to the employer to see if you can perform your functions, your employment functions from home. And you are also giving them a basis of how you are feeling unsafe, and you're giving them an opportunity to make the working environment safe. If the employer refuses to make the working environment safe, you send them a follow-up email to say, I've written to you on Monday, I've indicated my concerns. Today is Thursday or Wednesday and I haven't heard from you. Please provide me with some guidance in terms of how you are making the workplace safe. So the long and short of it, in summary, no employee has a right to work from home, but employees do have a right to a safe working environment, and the duty is on the employer to create that. Where you have the resources to work from home and your job allows that, give a proposal to the employer that you can perform your functions at home. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.